Register your device in Brazil. What are the steps that need to be followed? Appoint a BRH with a permit from the ANVISA. Obtain INMETRO certification for the required products. RDC 270/2019 and 423/2020. The notification does not require submission of technical file, however, the documents shall be readily available for submission, whenever requested. Adhere to BGMP and follow Registro registration process for Class 3 and 4 devices. Compile the technical dossier. Submit the application to ANVISA. Based on the product and its intended use, documentation or labeling might require submission in Portuguese. Appoint a qualified importer or distributor to market the device in Brazil. Freyr Brazilian ANVISA medical device registration holder benefits. Ensuring that the appropriate conformity assessment procedure has been carried out, that the medical device is correctly labeled and that information is provided in the specified national language. Maintaining a physical office within a country during the term of the agreement or any renewals thereof. Assisting the medical device company in filing establishment licenses and/or medical device product registrations that meet the ANVISA requirements. Assisting the medical device authority in all communications with the company. To liaise between ANVISA and the company and scheduling inspections of the company's facilities, if required. Time frames for registration processes. Notificação, the notification number will be issued within 30 days. Registro, registration process usually happens between 4 and 12 months. The notificação, Class 1 and Class 2, have unlimited validity. The Registro registration is valid for 10 years. Advantages of choosing Freyr solutions: cost-effective, flexibility to change the distributors, strong relationship with different health authorities, qualified team of experts with hands-on experience across all categories of medical devices,